Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the photo ambient wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So if you want the photo ambient wallpaper where it basically follows the weather and it follows the time of the day, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and long press anywhere on the screen, then tap on wallpaper and style. Now from here, go ahead and tap on your lock screen. Go ahead and tap on wallpapers. Then scroll down until you see create with AI. Here you're looking for photo ambient. Go ahead and tap on this. So this is the original picture. However, as you can see, it basically adds a snowflake. So down below here, it says, see how AI changes your photo based on the time and the weather. So it works best with outdoor photos taken during the day. Now here, we'll go ahead and press try now. We'll go ahead and choose that photo. So here, based on the default location in the weather app, Photo Ambient Wallpaper uses AI to change your photo to sunny, raining, or snowing, depending on the local weather, and to adjust the look for morning, midday, and evening and night. These effects can take time to start showing while your photo is being analyzed, so it works best with outdoor photos taken during the day. We'll go ahead and change the position, and then we'll go ahead and press done. Now your Samsung S25 Ultra will basically look at the time of the day and will show you what it is. So for example, right now outside is sunny. So as you can see, it's showing you a sunny animation. If it's raining or snowing outside, you'll see the raining effect or the snowing effect. So there you go guys. That is how to get the photo ambient wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.